have a DIY monthly subscription box from Project Home, and every month they send one of these subscription boxes out with a different craft. And for July, it's the Hello String Art. And in each one of these boxes, it comes with everything you need to complete the craft, even the glue gun. Now what's really cool about this is it says hello in the instructions, but if you don't want to use the word hello, they've also included several different options for vinyl decals. So they included letter P for my last name, initial, or the word hello, love, or home. So it gives me the opportunity to personalize which one I want to make, which I think is so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these. I'm so excited, and I'll show you when I'm done.